We're at Buckeye Lake Marina. Here's Brian. Brian, tell us what's happening here at the dock. What is this?
So we're putting in a new 22 SSR model that's just been sold here. It's fresh to the lake. They're going to hit the water for the first time today. We're going to go out for the orientation ride here shortly.
Well, it seems like there's a lot of boats going in and out of the docks. This is the season, is it not?
That's correct, sir.
This is the time when all the air temperature's ready. The water temperature's probably getting up, what, around 75 degrees right now?
You're probably seeing upwards of 80. I've seen it at 79 here recently, but yeah, I've seen it about...
Just gets nicer through the summer, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, Brian, tell us where we are right now. We're on a boat here, but why don't you tell me why this is such a big matter? Everybody's talking about demo boats. What is a demo boat?
So a demo boat would be a boat that has been produced by Bennington, and in that they're showcasing their boat. They're putting the best of the best features inside that boat for maybe a boat show that we would attend as a dealer, or just for their possible reps as well.
And why is it something that you might want?
Sometimes these boats have not seen the water yet. They're brand new, and maybe they've just been built for the show. So a demo boat is a boat that has been built out by the Bennington reps or maybe Bennington dealers and built for specifically a boat show or specifically for that rep. So they've loaded it with a ton of features. So you're going to see the larger Simrad here on this queue. Also, you're going to also see some additional features here that you won't see on a normal boat. So you have an additional 10-inch speaker there.
And that's a Rockford Fosgate.
That's correct. So you're going to have the additional upgraded stereo system in the queue here, along with some other features that you just wouldn't have on a normal boat.
And help me out here. I'm not real intellectual on these things, but this right here that's coming over here, which is a real cool look, what is that called?
So you've got a cladded arch here, so it's new to the Bennington lineup. Basically what they've done is change out the motor here, so it's the newest and the best hydraulic system in the industry, so it'll close within 5 seconds.
So if you're coming to a low bridge, for instance, you want to get through that bridge, you can drop that whole thing down?
Yes, that's correct. It's all on power, and it will all drop down within like 5 seconds.
Some of the other things I can see, there's a lot of amenities on a Bennington here. I can see that you've got cup holders and cell phone holders and even front speakers up here. Are those all normal on general pontoon boats? So
what you're seeing here is the upgraded upholstery, the sport upholstery in the queue. So you're going to get an additional USB ports along with the Rockford Fosgate and along with the cup holders as well. And then also another key feature in this queue that you're going to see from the demo is that you have heated and cooled seats right here.
Get out.
So also with the demo, they didn't want to be short on power here. So what you see on the back here is the first ever 500R from Mercury that's on the back of this boat. So we would expect this boat to be in the upper 50s and possibly touch 60 miles an hour.
So pulling a tuber, wakeboarder, a skier won't be a problem with this one?
Don't think it's going to be a problem. And then also if you're wanting to do wakeboarding as well, you've got the wake tower on the cladded arch here. So you've got the handle right there for wakeboarders as well. So
nice. Well, this has got about every amenity you could want in a boat. Now, I keep calling it a pontoon boat. It's really a tri-toon, isn't it?
Yes, sir, it is. It's actually an upgraded version of a tri-toon. So what we're sitting on is actually an elliptical center tune. So you've got a 32-inch oval that we're sitting underneath, and that's what it allows to have that bigger horsepower and those higher speeds and that better handling. So at 50 miles an hour, this thing will bank just like any sports car you've ever seen. So.
And it's a smooth ride too, because it takes out that chop in the middle.
Yes, sir. It's probably one of the smoothest rides in the industry, and that's what Bennington really hangs their hat on, is the luxury performance and the rides.
Nice. Now the demo models, it's not just one or two. You guys have got more than a dozen out here. What other types of items do you have? Is it different colors? Is it different size motors? What is it?
Tim went above and beyond here. So Tim went out and asked Bennington to buy a certain number of demos just to really pass along the savings to the customer. So right now we have a total of almost 18 demo models, high-end models and mid-range models that are available, that are loaded with features that are available now.
So I've heard this. I've heard that there's discounts from $10, $20, even up to $40,000 off these. Is that correct?
Yes, like I said, some of these boats have touched the water and some haven't. So they've just been built out for some shows, and we're just able to pass those savings along. And that's why Tim went to Bennington specifically and asked to buy these boats so that we could maybe get a higher end boat at a lower cost.
Why should someone consider one of these boats now? What's the difference?
These demo models will not be here long.
How can we find out more information about these demo units?
You'll be able to find us on BuckeyeLakeMarina.com, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you name it, we're there. So give us a call and we'll take care of your boating needs. 740-467-2697.
All right, the lake's calling. We got to get out there on the lake.